Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will go to second section in the exercise 3b. In second section, problem number 1. The problem is if a equal to 300 030 then find a power 4. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find a power 4 value. For that, we have to given a matrix of order 3 by 3. This problem this problem solution has two methods. First one is easiest method and second one is calculated method. That is first method 1. First solution. Solution. First write down the given matrix is capital A equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. That is equal to, we have to common in that matrix 3 get common because 3 into 1 3 into 0 3 into 0. By using that, by taking 3 as common, then the remaining matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is equal to 3 into, this matrix is a unit matrix of order 3 by 3, that is 3 into I. Then we understand that capital A equal to 3I. Already we know the one condition is that I power n equal to I, because where n is a positive integer. That means we can multiply the unit element with same unit element in any time we get the same unit element. Unit element or identity matrix ni మళ్ళీ అదే ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్తో ఎన్నిసార్లు మల్టిప్లై చేసినా ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్సే వస్తుంది అనమాట. దట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ వీ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ I equal to I we know I square equal to I cube equal to I, and so on. I power n equal to also I. We can multiply I with any times with I, we get the I. By using this condition, we know a power 4, that is equal to a value is 3i. 3i whole power 4, that is equal to 3 power 4 into I power 4. 3 power 4 value is 81. Power 4 value is 81. I power 4 value is I. That is a power 4 equal to 81 I. This is one easiest method, and this solution has the second method. We can calculate any method in the example or exams by we understanding I given matrix. Same procedure. Given matrix is A equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. This is a matrix A. We can find a power 4. A power 4 means a square into a square. Then first we calculate a square value and then multiply with a square and a square. We get a power 4 value. Then a square equal to first matrix A 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. into 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3, that is equal to first row first column 3 3s are 9 plus 0 plus 0 0 plus 0 plus 0, same 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 9 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, same 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 9. Then we get a square equal to 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. This is a square value. Next a power 4 equal to a square into a square, that is equal to, we know a square value is 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9 into again a square 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9, that is equal to first row 81 plus 0 plus 0, 0 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 plus 81 plus 0, 0. That is equal to 81 0 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. We can take 81 as common. 81 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is a power 4 equal to 81 into I. This is the solution of first problem in the second section. In that we go to second problem in the second section. Then this is the second problem in the second section. The problem is if a equal to 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, then find a cube. Then solution is given matrix is a equal to 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. This is matrix A. We have to find a cube. A cube means a square into A. That means first we have to find a square. Then a square equal to 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. That is equal to we can write in the below. First row first column 1 into 1 1 plus 5 minus 6, 1 plus 2 minus 3, 3 plus 6 minus 6, 9, 5 plus 10 minus 12, 5 plus 4 minus 6, 15 plus 12 minus 18, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6, minus 2 plus 3, minus 6 plus 9. That is equal to Then a square value is 1 plus 5, 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And this is 3. 9 minus 6, 3. This value is 9 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. This is a square value. Next we have to find a cube value. Then now a cube equal to a square into a, that is equal to a square value is the matrix 0 0 0 3 3 9 and minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 into matrix A 1 1 3 5 2 6. Last row is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. We have to multiply these two matrices, that is equal to first row first column 0 plus 0 plus 0, same 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Second row first column 3 plus 15 minus 18, 3 plus 6 minus 9, 9 plus 18 minus 27, minus 1 minus 5 plus 6, minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, minus 3 minus 6 plus 9, that is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. First row is 0. 3 plus 15, 18. 18 minus 18, 0. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 plus 18, 27. 27 minus 27, 0. Similarly, last row is also 0 because minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. Minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 plus 9, 0. That is equal to O matrix of order 3 by 3. Therefore, A cube equal to O of order 3 by 3. This is our required problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.